Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are going to be talking about Nmap, a powerful network tool, scanning tool that can be used to discover hosts and services on a network. So what is Nmap? Nmap is a free and open source network scanner that can be used for a variety of purposes including network exploration, security auditing and vulnerability assessment. So first of all, we will go to how to install Nmap. So to get started with Nmap, you will need to install it on your system. If you are using Linux, you can typically install Nmap using your system package manager. On Windows, you can download the installer from Nmap website. So let's start with some basic Nmap commands that you can use to get started with Nmap network scanning. So let's get started. So first of all, I will go to find our network or host IP address. So first of all, I will go to CMD. So how I can find network IP address? I will go back and here press window key plus R, then CMD this and hit enter. So here you will type ipconfig and hit enter. So here is the detail of your network, about your network. So here is the IP address of your network. So we will copy this IP address and we will go back to terminal, and here I will type nmap and paste the IP address I copied. So hit enter. So here you can see the result of the IP address that we scanned. So host not shown 993 filter TCP ports. No response means that 993 TCP ports are closed, and here is the TCP number, port number 21, and name TCP, state open, services that are running on the port, FTP, SSH, telnet. So you can see very helpful information. So you can use all these information and cybersecurity hacking, like you can easily find vulnerabilities and exploitation. So let's move to next command. So in next command we will scan a range of IP addresses using Nmap. So here is yes. So Nmap IP address and -10. So here hit enter. You will see the range of IP addresses detail. So here is the detail of range of IP addresses from 1 to 10. So you can see the port number and port name, state and services. So you can see how much ports are closed and how many ports are open. So you can see easily 993 ports are closed and something 8 ports are open. So you can easily find the vulnerabilities in network and host. So you can easily find out through Nmap. So this command will scan all hosts in the range from 1 and 2.168.10.1 to 1 and 2.168.1.10. So you can see all the information about these ranges of IP addresses. So here we go to the next command. Let's take a look at some more advanced Nmap command that can be used for more specific network scanning tasks. So to perform a ping sweep of network and identify which hosts are up and running, so we will use Nmap, and the command is nmap -s control shift p, and the IP address that I copy this IP address and paste here, and here we will paste 0 and 24. So hit enter, and this will perform a ping sweep of the entire 192.168 dot 10.0/24 network and report back on which hosts are up and running. So you can see here is two hosts are up and 256 IP addresses. So now we will get some more information about these hosts. So here I'm going to type nmap and the IP address, copy, and here we'll paste this. No, sorry. Remove this and hit enter. And now you will see all the details of the two hosts that are up. So you can see the details of two IP addresses, two hosts. So you can see the result TCP, port TCP number 21, and state is open FTP, and 993 TCP ports are closed, and something like 7 ports are open. And another one, you can see another IP address Nmap scan report for 192.168.10.5. So you can see here is the 977 ports are closed, and something 12, 15, 20, up to 20 ports are open. So these are the services running on the ports. So you can see all the details. And here is the next command we will use in Nmap to perform a service and version scan of a host. So we will type a command. Here is nmap -s and shift v, and the IP address, for example I want to this one, so I will copy and I will paste there. So hit enter. So it will take time, so wait for the result. So here you can see the result of Nmap. You can see the ports and the closed ports, 993 closed ports, and something 8 ports are open, state is open, services that are running on the port, FTP, SSH and the version you can see which version is running on these ports. So you can see all the details. So you can see the service and version scan of the host of 192.168.10.1, and report back on the versions of the services that are running on the host. So, so I hope you will learn something new, and that's it for this video on Nmap. As you can see, Nmap is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of network scanning tasks. Whether you are exploring a new network, or performing security assessment, Nmap is a tool that you will want to have in your arsenal. So thanks for watching, and please, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.